This tiny drone can race through your house at crazy speed and do freestyle tricks. Meet the STARTFPV R8 Tiny Whoop, one of the coolest micro FPV drones out there. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the R8 Tiny Whoop Micro FPV Racing Drone, a compact beast built for speed, agility, and fun. First thing you'll notice, this drone is tiny. It has an 80mm wheelbase and an ultra-light frame of just about 6 grams. The transparent black polycarbonate frame looks awesome and is surprisingly durable, perfect for crashes during practice. One standout feature is the top-mounted battery design. This lowers the center of gravity, giving you better stability and control, especially when flying fast or doing tricks. Despite its size, this drone packs brushless motors, supporting 0802 and 1102 setups. That means faster acceleration, smoother control, better durability. Whether you're racing or freestyling, it feels super responsive. Now, let's talk FPV. The R8 comes with an analog FPV camera featuring 1200 TVL resolution and a 160-degree wide field of view. This gives you a real-time, immersive flying experience like you're inside the drone. You get 1S 450 mAh LiHV batteries, delivering solid performance for a micro drone. And here's the cool part, a 6-channel charger that can charge multiple batteries at once. No more waiting for hours between flights. This drone is perfect for indoor racing, calm outdoor flying. It handles light wind well and is super fun for tight spaces, like racing through rooms or around obstacles. If you're new to FPV, this is actually a great starting point. The lightweight design makes crashes less damaging, and the control is smooth enough to learn quickly. So, is the STARTFPV R8 worth it? Ultra-light and durable. Powerful brushless performance. Great for indoor FPV racing. Beginner-friendly and fun. But not ideal for strong wind outdoors. Requires FPV setup knowledge. Still, for the price and performance, this thing is a blast to fly. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.